Let's meet the masterpiece. This always makes me feel good. And the next time when you feel overwhelmed and you need a break, just come and check out this work by Su-Mei Tse. It's called Reflection. It was made in 2017. And it's called Reflection because you see the trees and the water reflected. It's difficult to distinguish what is up from what is down. Doesn't really matter also because it's just this really nice bubble of well-being. When you enter this world of greenery and water, you're in another place. And that's sometimes what happens when you look at an artwork very closely and what a museum can do for you. So if you want a break, come check it out. Warmly recommend it. I don't know much more to tell.